Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 30th, 2015. It is a Wednesday morning. We are getting ready for New Year's Eve, which is tomorrow, which is still going to look pretty warm out there with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. Certainly, it can be a lot colder. We've had New Year's Eves where we had temperatures struggling in the 20s, so certainly a rather mild New Year's Eve on the way, but winter is returning and in a big way. So, first things first, let's talk about today. We have a fog out there, especially in the Delaware River Valley, where visibility is below 2 miles in many locations, and also it's extending up into the New York City metro and portions of Long Island, but not as dense as what we're seeing over eastern Pennsylvania and over southwestern New Jersey. We have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 30s over the northern interior. You can see where we had a slight snowpack here, and upper 30s to lower 40s in the New York City metro, mid 40s in the Philadelphia metro and much of southern and central New Jersey. Winds are from the east along the coast around 5 miles per hour, light and variable over the interior. It looks like we're going to have another round of rain on the way as a low pressure system approaches from the southwest, with about a quarter of an inch of rain, not a huge rain event in any way, shape, or form. We take a look at the surface map. There's our low pressure system that is developing. It's going to be lifting north. This high pressure system will quickly exit, and as a result, we'll see increasing clouds throughout the day, followed by rain pushing in by the evening rush hour and continuing on into the early morning hours of Thursday. On the radar, you could see that rainfall starting to develop over the southeast and pushing northward. Right now, we are high and dry. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see our low pressure system organizing here. It's a convoluted frontal boundary here. Basically, a cold front ran into this nice ridge that's set up over the southeast, and it hasn't been able to go much of anywhere. This low pressure system will ride to the northeast, producing periods of rain, and then behind this cold front, we start to step down back towards winter as we move back from above normal to near normal to even slightly below normal as we head on through the next 2 weeks. Take a look at the latest forecast here for this morning. High pressure will exit. Look for increasing clouds. By this afternoon, showers are approaching. Could be an isolated shower, especially around the Philadelphia metro. Look for high temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s in the New York City metro and lower to mid 50s in the Philadelphia metro. For this evening, the showers push in. Some may be heavy at times. They're going to continue on until about midnight and clear out by tomorrow morning with lows in the lower to mid 40s. High temperatures tomorrow afternoon will rise into the lower 50s for highs early on and then fall off through the 40s by the time you get ready for New Year's Eve. Right around midnight, look for temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s, falling off into the mid 30s by the morning hours. So on Friday, look for basically sky cloud cover, high pressure and control. Temperatures falling into the mid 30s for lows, high temperatures in the lower to mid 40s, slightly above normal. We're talking about but 2-3 degrees above normal for a high instead of 30. So certainly a much better improvement. On Saturday, high pressure will be in place, but notice we're going to have these little clippers kind of dive through, so don't be surprised to see a flurry or two out there. Otherwise, sky cloud cover to clear skies, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. For Sunday, again, watch out for a few of these clippers potentially producing a flurry or two. Otherwise, sky cloud cover, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. Behind these cold fronts, we're going to have high pressure take control on Monday and Tuesday with much colder weather conditions. We're looking at basically lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the mid to upper 30s, which is slightly below normal for this time of year. Look for clear skies for the most part. Can't rule out a flurry or two, but overall, a much more traditional shift back towards winter. That's your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.